Hello everyone. So in this video we'll solve this problem. Consider two lists representing the x and y coordinates of 50 random data points. Write a Python program for the following tasks. We have to create a scatter plot of the data points. Secondly, we have to calculate and display the average value of the x coordinates and y coordinates on the scatter plot. So we'll begin the solution. First import Matplotlib. So for the 50 data points, we'll generate some random points. Okay, so I'll use the random class. In random class, I'll use the rand int library, assuming that all my coordinates are integer coordinates. Okay, so they will be in the range of 1 to 100, and I want 50 points. Okay, then the y coordinates that I want are also 50 random integers. Then I have to find the average. To find the average, I will use the mean function. So x average, we'll use the mean function from numpy. Okay, so now we'll create the scatter plot. So to create the scatter plot, we'll use the scatter function. In scatter function, first we specify the x-axis, x coordinates, then we specify the y coordinates. So the points will be created by taking the point x0 with y0, that will be point 0. Then x1 combined with y1 will be point 1. H2 combined with y2 will be point 2, and so on. We'll have up to x49 combined with y49, that is point 49. So we'll have 50 points. Okay, so x comma y. We'll also assign, now this is the essential part. With this also, we can get the scatter plot, but we'll also assign a label to this. So, so these are the data points. And the color of the data points will be blue. Color of the data points will be blue. And I'll plot an average x line, an average, there is horizontal line and vertical line. So just to distinguish the average, we'll give it the color red. We'll also specify some line style. We'll use dashed lines and we'll give it the label. So basically what we'll do here is we'll print the uh, y average value over here, and the same thing we'll do with the x average value. Prevent a lot of typing and just making some minor changes. So basically you will get one horizontal line passing through the y average and x average. So this line will be parallel to the x-axis and this line will be parallel to the y-axis. We'll give it the color, let's say green. We'll keep the line style to be the same. This is x average. We are printing the x average value. Okay. Apart from this, we can assign some title. So title is, let's say, scatter plot. We can also assign some axis labels. X coordinates and Y coordinates will be the X and Y axis labels. And plt.legend will make sure that whatever labels we have given above for the data points and all average points. So this will be shown in the legend. Okay. Also, grid will be shown in the background. So, okay, plt.grid. And finally, to display everything in the output, we'll say plt.show. Okay. So let's see the output. Okay. So as you can see here, the blue points are our data point. This is the legend that we get. Blue points are the data points. This is because when we use the function plt.scatter, there we had mentioned label equal to data points. All of them are blue in color because we had mentioned color equal to blue. Then this is the horizontal line created by AX H line. This is the vertical line created by AX V line. In AX H line, we had used the red color and we had given the label Y average, and we had used the format string to print what was the actual Y average value. So that gets into the legend box. And similarly, when calling the X V line function, we had passed the color as green. Okay, so this is green in color, and the label was with the format string. We had given the label as X average colon and the value with 0.2f. So we had written 0.2f, which meant there will be two digits after the decimal point. So that was 57.16. Okay. So this is the output. That's it for the first question. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.